While I'm away for those 3 weeks in term 2, on top of doing the work you're going to be doing in class, there's going to be a time where you'll be told in your instructions to contribute what you've learnt in class to your study notes, which is now a Google presentation. This Google presentation is going to be under the title Investigating Australia's Physical Landscape. And this PowerPoint, once it loads, you will find that in your AHG Google Drive folder, which you all should know where it is, and you'll be able to find it under this one. So you all have your own copy, which means you can add your own information to it without impeding on anyone else's. And so what happens is when you're going through the lesson, you'll learn about the Australian continent. And this is where you'll learn about Australia's geographical dimensions, and you're going to be writing down your study notes, what you know about it. Then you're moving on to, you'll learn about location of Australia, you write down your study notes, what do you know? Then you're going to move on to the origin of the content. What's the Aboriginal perspective? And then what's the geographical perspective? Okay, latitude and longitude. There's a thing here, one of the lessons you'll be given this task. And you go through that link and you'll find it. And you write down your notes about what you know about latitude and longitude. And you move on to topography. You write down what you know about that. And then physical characteristics and so forth. So anytime you guys have a lesson that asks you to work on your Google presentation, it is referring to this that I've just gone through. So by the end of the 3 weeks, this should be completely filled up to here. Natural hazards will do when I get back, but it should be all the way up to slide 32. If not, you haven't done enough work. Anyway, I wish you all the best. I hope you have a great start to term 2, and I'll see you all in week 4.